Gas turbines are a type of internal combustion engine in which burning of an air-fuel mixture produces hot gases that spin a turbine to produce power. Gas turbine can utilize a variety of fuels, including natural gas, fuel oils, and synthetic fuels. The heat that comes from burning the fuel expands air, and the high-speed rush of this hot air spins the turbine.
My name is Muhammad AZA'IM. My registration number is 05 DPE20F1011. Okay, today I want to talk about the component in gas turbine. There are 7 components that important you must know. The first is the air inlet, air compressor, diffuser, combustion chamber, air compressor turbine, power turbine, and the exhaust.
So hello, my name is Darrell. As you can see here, this is the function of component of gas turbine. At the first, we have the air inlet, which is to let the air get into the gas turbine. So it is also to keep in clean condition during the air flowing into the gas turbine. So the second is we have the air compressor, which is the function of air compressor is to pull the outside air atmosphere pressure into the gas turbine and compress them. So an example, we have the axial flow compressors. So it is to compress more air into the gas turbine. It is also power that produced depends on volume of air that being compressed. So the third one, we have the diffuser, which is to convert the kinetic energy of the air from the air compressor into the static pressure energy. It is also to make sure the flow of air is more consistent before entering the combustion chamber. So the fourth is the combustion chamber, which is to burn the mix of fuel and air. So next we have the air compressor turbine to drive the air compressors. So next one, we have the power turbine, which is to rotate the shaft, which is connect to the external load. It is also give power to the blade to moving become more faster. So lastly, we have the exhaust, which is the function of exhaust is to produce steam that can be used to produce electricity or used for process heating.
Hi, my name is DUNCAN, DAIM, and today I'm going to talk about the principle of operation of gas turbine. So just like a diesel or a gasoline engine, gas turbine is a type of internal combustion engine which operates with 4 cycles, which are intake, compression, combustion, and also exhaust. Although we can see that the main difference is in the basic movement, where a gas turbine uses rotary movement, very in contrast with the back and forth movement of a reciprocating engine. So, the basic principle of operation of a gas turbine is shown in this diagram.
First, during intake process, air enters the turbine via air inlet and into the air compressor. The air is then compressed by compressor turbine, and this compressed air is guided into the combustion chamber. And inside the combustion chamber, fuel is mixed with compressed air and continuously combusted to produce gas at high temperature and pressure. Then, the hot combustion gases rush into the gas turbine, causing the turbine blades to turn. And finally, the hot exhaust gases are discharged from the body of the gas turbine.
So that is all from me. I hope you could understand the basic principle of operation of a gas turbine better. Thank you.
The application of gas turbine is supercharging. The gas turbines are used for supercharging a small gas turbine run by hot exhaust gas which drive the compressor for aviation gasoline engine and for heavy-duty diesel engines. Next is turbojet and turbopropeller engines. Every turbojet and turbopropeller engine has a gas turbine. The turbine supplies power only to drive the air compressor in the turbojet engine, while in turbopropeller engine they may drive the propeller in addition to the compressor. The expansion of gases may take place in only one turbine or in a set of low pressure and high pressure turbines. The temperature at which such turbines are to be operated range from 800 degree to 1000 degree. Number 2 is marine field. The gas turbine can be also used in the marine field. These are used for propulsion of ships or power generation on the ship. Number 4 is railway. The gas turbine can be also used for rail propulsion. And number 5 is road transport. The gas turbines are used for heavy-duty armored vehicle to cruise at high speed. Number 6 is electric power generation. The gas turbines are very popular for electric power generation because of the ability of starting and brought up to full load quickly and less cost in installation and maintenance. As compared to steam power station, the gas turbines requires much less water for a particular efficiency. The last one is industry. Gas turbines are also employed for industrial purposes, blast of water or blast furnaces in steel industry, oil and other chemical industry.
My name is AMRIN MUHI. My register number is 05 DPE2C F1038. Today I want to explain about the advantage of gas turbine and disadvantage of gas turbine engines. The advantage of gas turbine engines are very high power to weight ratio. Besides that, more size efficient. Other than that, move in one direction only with fewer moving parts. Besides, low operating pressures. Besides that, high operation speeds and low lubricating oil cost and consumption. While the disadvantage of gas turbine engine are more expensive compared to a similar size reciprocating engine. Besides that, more complex machining operations. Besides, usually less efficient than reciprocating engines, especially at idle. Besides, delay respond to change in power settings.
Okay, now we will go through the maintenance of gas turbine. So at first, we have to know about the gas turbine and the operating procedures. From there, we also know that the current condition of the gas turbine before creating a maintenance plan. Second is, we have to follow the established standard maintenance procedures to make sure the step of maintenance the gas turbine in correct way. So the third is, we have to use the automated maintenance management software. This is because the CMMS, which is computerized maintenance management software, can be used to more efficiently and consistently manage the time to plan the gas turbine equipment. The last one, we have to performing maintenance on time. This is because to make sure the gas turbine can be used in a short period of time.